This is how to attach a file to a submission for an assignment. So we're going to use, this is what you had to do for assignment 1. So you're going to submit a screenshot. So when you open this up, over here you're going to have a submit. If you click on submit, you're going to have a box that comes up that looks a little bit like this. Yours across the top will say create. Make sure you're in the create tab. There's 3 tabs. Make sure you're in create. What you need to do is, all you have to do is go across the top of this all the way almost to the end. You see where it says insert content. So if you click on this, the very first one is an image. So we're going to click on the image, and then it's going to ask you to attach the file. So you have to, that's why it was so important to know where you saved it. So we're going to attach the file, and then we're going to go down here, and I called it files, and it comes up, and then it's in here. Once it is done, all you have to do is hit submit. I just need to see the picture that looks like this. Okay? If you have any problems or questions, please contact me.